Hi guys, me Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage. And today we're going to be replacing the rear liftgate actuators on my dad's 2015 Toyota Highlander. So if you want to see me do that, stay tuned. So the first step is you have to remove the panel here and the connector right here. The next step is you're going to need something to support the door so that it doesn't fall on you. Then you're going to need to remove the brackets for the actuator. Now that you got the old actuator off, you're going to need to install the new brackets that came with the new actuator. Next step is to snap in the new actuator on the bottom and on the top. Next, run the cable through the old hole and plug it back in. After you've ran your cable and plugged it in, put this panel back on. And once you've finished the side that you were working on, it's pretty much the exact same for the other side. And that's the end of the video. If you want to see more Mikey Macho Garage content, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye!